Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete contacts on your Telegram app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to delete contacts on your Telegram app, let's open up our Telegram. And after opening your Telegram app, the interface will be similar like this, where you can see the three-lined icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon, and over here you can see the contact option available over here just below the new group. Tap on contacts and you will find all of your contacts over here who are on Telegram or who are on your phone and using Telegram over here. And going through these, choose the contact which you want to delete and tap on them like this. And after that you can see their username on the top of the screen. Tap on the username like this, and on the top right corner of your screen there is the three dotted icon over here. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and you will see the delete contact option available over here just below the edit contact option available. Tap on delete contact and again tap on delete, and your contact will be deleted on Telegram app. And there guys, this is how you delete your Telegram contact. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.